Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. This is Jacob. So in our previous tutorial, we showed you how to install Mistral-Small-3 with VLLM and OpenWebUI, and we did a full test on the model, which turns out the model is a great model. In the Mistral-3's official website, it also mentioned it can serve as a great base model for building accrued reasoning capabilities. So what does that mean? Does it mean we can turn Mistral-Small-3 to a reasoning model like DeepSeek R1? And the answer is yes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So that being said, let's get started. So if you go to DeepSeek R1's official README, as you can see, they mention additionally, we have observed that the DeepSeek R1 series models tend to bypass thinking pattern. And to fix that is to ensure that the model engages in thorough reasoning. We recommend enforcing the model to initiate its response with think at the beginning of every output. So this actually is a good strategy, and we can apply this strategy to the Mistral-Small-3 to turn the Mistral-Small-3 to a reasoning model. So how to do that? First, you have to set up VLLM, as we always demo this in this channel, so feel free to check out the videos. And the other thing you have to set up is the OpenWebUI. So we also have tutorials to set up OpenWebUI on Kaggle. Feel free to check out those videos as well. So we will not cover those setup in this video. And then we have to get the system prompt, as we mentioned. This is the fix. So this is basically to actually get a prompt to turn the Mistral-Small-3 to a reasoning model. And as you can see here, we also added a think as a prefix. So this is how we actually turn the model to a reasoning mode. So let's copy this prompt, system prompt, go to this OpenWebUI. As you can see, we already did the test. So how to do that is to actually go to the settings and go to system prompt and paste this system prompt. So I will put this system prompt into the Discord channel. So feel free to join the Discord channel to get a prompt. And let's save that prompt, and then you can start testing. So this is what we tested. And how many A letters in the word Alibaba? So you can see it actually start reasoning, right? And the answer is they have 3 A's, which is correct. So if you actually want to test that again, let's say how many R's in the strawberry, right? So let's try it. How many R letters in the word strawberry? Let's hit enter. So hopefully this is helpful. If you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.